day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Cristal Saolda, 28 years old. I have a live-in partner. We have a one-kid boy. We live at Barangay Cagbang Oton, Iloilo. I have one sister, one brother, and I am the eldest in the family. I am undergraduate of college. I did not finish my college due to financial problem, ma'am.
Okay, but then you have been to college, so can you tutor kids?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have one son, and are you also the one taking care of your son since his birth?
Yes, ma'am.
And who will take care of your son if you work abroad?
My live-in partner, ma'am.
Do you have a work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please tell me about your work experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines.
I work here in the Philippines as domestic helper for 2 years and 2 months to a couple with the 2 kids, 5 years old boy, 2 years old girl. My duties are doing our household chores like cleaning, cooking, marketing, washing, and ironing the clothes. But my priority is taking care of the kids, ma'am.
Okay, so how would you describe your previous employers?
They are good to me. They are good to me, ma'am.
Okay, so is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself as a worker?
I can work under the pressure, can manage my time, and happy person.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, ma'am. My left arm and upper chest, ma'am.
Okay, so it means you have 2 tattoos.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, did you undergo to any kind of surgery before?
Yes, ma'am. I am the cesarean 7 years ago.
It means you undergo cesarean operation 7 years ago when you gave birth to your son.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you guarantee to your future employer that you can do all the hard work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for my kids' education and to save money to build to our own house, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby did not stop crying?
I will check the baby if the baby is hungry. I will feed. Then I will feed then, and I will check the body temperature of the baby if the baby is sick, and I will tell madam, ma'am.
Okay, so and then what will you do if the children are naughty or not listening to you?
I will talk to them nicely and softly and be more patient to the kids, ma'am.
Okay, so can you sing a nursery song for kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me example.
There was the farmer had a dog and Bingo was the name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was the name. Oh.
Okay, thank you. And do you have a food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share a room with the kids or elder in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay if your day off is not Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you accept no day off but instead to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, ma'am. I will just focus on my work, ma'am.
Would you like to work with an employer who has many children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly also?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you have full consent of your live-in partner and your family to work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please say a short message to your future employers.
Hi, ma'am and sir. If you select me as your domestic helper, I will finish my contract and I will extend if needed. I am a trustworthy, responsible, and honest person, hardworking, and can work. Can work.
Okay, so and can you promise also to your future employer that you will take care and love their children like your own child?
Yes, ma'am.
And can you promise also that you will serve the family with all your heart?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's all for today and thank you for coming.